Hey guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we're gonna talk about reduction process in the Haskell. And for this we will use the foldr function, which means fold right, and it's basically the folding operation which we will use in the Haskell. And if you are enrolled in any master's or bachelor program, you can contact me on this WhatsApp or email to discuss about your coursework or projects you are working on. Right? Okay, let's get started with the foldr. So what I will do is just give you a demo about it, how to use it. So I'm creating a main block, and in this I will just create a list. I will say my list, and let's give it some values 2 4 8 and let's 10. Okay, and then I will just create a variable which I will say sum of list, because that's what the folding will do for us, right? It will just take this first element, add it to this one, then take their sum and add it to this third element, and so on, right? So that's how the folding will work. And for this we will call just foldr, and then give it a operator which will be of course addition, and then we'll just give it a starting value which will be 0, so 0 plus 2, and then I will just pass out my list, which is my list. Yeah, okay, my list. Yeah, and then I will just print out my list. Sorry for the typing. Sum of list. Okay, I hope it will work. Let's just, yeah, it's not my list, it's my list. Yeah, let's just run the program and see what we got as the result. Yeah, so we got 24, which is some of these elements which are present in our list. And why this underlining is here, because it's saying you can just use this sum operation, but I want you to know that folding is the main operation which we use in the Haskell, and folding is the main concept in the Haskell or functional programming in this paradigm, right? So I can't cover it all in this one video, but yeah, if you have questions about it, you can always text me, right? And this will also just do the same. Let's just run it, and you can see the both results are the same, right? Okay, so this was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.